Hello, I will tell you about the new 2023 model Peugeot 408. Peugeot 408 is a 5-door front-wheel drive crossover that combines attractive design, modern interior and productive technical equipment. The target audience of ETA SAS is residents of big cities who lead an active lifestyle and keep up with the times. The 5-door liftback is stylized as a crossover and belongs mainly to the 308 family, but it is not devoid of design features. Externally, the 5-door Peugeot 408 looks attractive, harmonious, sporty and moderately aggressive, but that's enough. Stylish optics with teeth of working headlights, a frameless radiator grille made in body color, muscular sidewalls and elegant lights. The appearance of the car is slightly off-road. Along the perimeter of the body, armor made of unpainted plastic. According to the dimensions, the crossover belongs to the D segment. Its length, width and height are 4,687 mm, 1,848 mm and 1,478 mm, respectively. The wheelbase of the car is 2,787 mm. and the ground clearance is 188 to 189 mm, depending on the version. The interior of the Peugeot 408 is designed in the special iCockpit architecture, which is built around 10-inch screens and an infotainment complex, as well as an angular steering wheel with a relief ring. In addition, high-quality finishing materials were used in the 5-door, thanks to the internal battery. The volume of the trunk of the gasoline versions of the car is from 536 litres to 1611 litres, and the hybrids from 471 litres to 1545 litres. The second row of seats is in any case divided into 2 parts, in proportion to the flat area. The car has a McPherson strut, independent suspension at the front and a semi-independent torsion beam architecture at the rear. The SUV is equipped with a rack and pinion steering wheel, with hydraulic power steering. 5-door brakes are completed with all-wheel drive, front ventilation, electronic assistance. A rich set of options for the cross liftback was announced. Front and side airbags, 17 to 20-inch wheels, full LED optics, 2-zone climate control, a virtual instrument cluster, a 10-inch media center, screen, panoramic roof, night vision system, adaptive cruise control, comprehensive cameras, 10-speaker focus audio system, etc. Thank you for watching.